Okay, this video is to show how I've sort of redesigned my milling attachment. In the previous video I had it bolted directly to the cross slide, but I decided it wasn't very versatile, so I redesigned it. I built this plate, base plate, which bolts down to the cross slide in 4 places, and it has a little lip down here that locates it exactly parallel. And then I drilled and tapped a series of holes and drilled and reamed 3 pinholes, and then a pivot hole where I pressed in a hardened dowel pin. And then for the milling attachment, I faced it flat and I bored and pressed in a bushing, a steel bushing with a reamed hole. So then I mount the thing on there. I'm doing it all one-handed. I mount it on there and it can swivel now. It locates exactly and rigidly on that dowel pin. And then I have another dowel pin that locates it in 3 positions. Excuse me, parallel to the cross slide, so for face milling or whatever. And then pull that out, rotate it 45 degrees. Now it's at exactly 45 degrees. And then in this position here at 90 degrees, and I have corresponding bolt holes down in the base plate for each of the 3 positions. Furthermore, I purchased, actually here it is, I purchased a MT3 ER32 holder, so number 3 Morse taper and an ER32 collet chuck. So now I can put that in my spindle, and I built a drawbar back here, can't see it hardly, and then I've got collets ranging from an 1/8 inch to 3/4 inch, so I can put cutters up to 3/4 inch in my spindle. But then I got to thinking I'll mostly be using 1/2 inch cutters or cutters with a 1/2 inch shank. So I built this myself out of 4340, and it's really short and stout and runs like perfectly true within a 1/2 thou anyway. So that's what, in my next video I'll have the attachment looking this way, and I'll be milling on a part so we can see how the thing works.